Our cabinetry is handcrafted in the heart of Amish country. All maple hardwood with familiar hardwood joineries like our dovetail drawers and tongue and groove cabinet doors. This cabinetry is all constructed by professional cabinet makers that have been crafting cabinets for over 60 years. What makes our cabinetry several grades above the RV grade of cabinetry? Here are 7 top reasons. All maple hardwood, dovetail drawers, maple hardwood drawer sides, back, and bottom, under-mounted drawer glides, which helps the stability and strength, and it gives you the full width of the drawer, soft closed drawers. And here's a big one, also consistent matching stain on stiles and doors. So you've got a matching look over the whole interior of the coach. Our in-house cabinet shop then configures the cabinets per our engineer specifications, specifically for our customers' personalized order.